to India and Indian politics. With just days to go for Delhi elections, gloves are off within the INDIA, with Rahul Gandhi and Arvind Kejriwal directly ripping into each other. It started after Rahul Gandhi taunted Kejriwal from going from a small car to Sheesh Mahal. He further added that while Aam Aadmi Party convener lived in his Sheesh Mahal, the national capital witnessed its biggest liquor scam.
केजरीवाल जी जो भी मन में आता है कह देते हैं। पहले आए थे, छोटी सी गाड़ी थी, कहा था नए तरीके की राजनीति करूंगा और कहा था कि साफ राजनीति लाऊंगा और सबसे बड़ा लिकर का स्कैम दिल्ली में हुआ है और उनके घर की आपने फोटो देख ली। और केजरीवाल जी महल में रहते हैं, शीश महल में रहते हैं।
Arvind Kejriwal was quick to counter Rahul Gandhi's charges on the Sheesh Mahal issue. Kejriwal asked, why is Rahul Gandhi silent on what he called the PM's Raj Mahal? He went on to allege that Congress and BJP were hand in glove and asked why Rahul Gandhi and his family members have not been jailed in an open and shut case like the National Herald case.
Pradhan Mantri Modi, he fabricated this entire so-called liquor case and ensured that all our leaders were in jail in a fake case. But there is also a National Herald case, which is an open and shut case. How is that nobody in that case has been arrested till date? How is that the BJP has given a clean chit to Robert Vadra, who they would not get tired of calling Damadji and exposing his corruption? How come there's silence on that? Whereas Rahul Gandhi ji or anyone from his family has not been arrested in the National Herald case.
The Congress leaders, meanwhile, have dared Arvind Kejriwal to provide evidence before making such tall claims.
Liquor case, court will tell whether he's guilty or not. Court has never said he's not guilty. Whatever his allegations against Mr. Gandhi, why is it that there's not a single shred of proof? Remember, 10 years ago about Mr. Vadra, he had been waiving cases. He had brought on some kind of false documents. Nothing was proved. Mr. Kejriwal, if you have the guts, come up with a single shred of proof. This man is constantly been a cheat, a liar, and a fraud, and has absolutely no shame and no adherence to truth.
Shifting focus.